Hello viewers, I am Supercell EAS, and this is the Midland WR-300 version 8. I believe that's the box that comes with this, so let's take a look-see inside. Oh, I ripped the box open, come on. So, inside here, we got ourselves an AC adapter, this thing, got this form. Following advisory alerts on the model WR-300 have a default setting to not sound the siren but only display a message and light the yellow LED when received. This is not indication the radio is not working properly, but the intended functionality. Blah, blah, blah. I think we know about that. Here is the weather radio shopping guide. I think I showed you this. And this is the weather radio itself. Oh, it's pretty big. Here it is. The Midland WR-300. Brand new in box. I'm not too sure if we're going to have enough batteries to get through all the other videos, but anyway, here it is. To ensure this weather radio does good in the following years of our life, we are going to press all the buttons, turn all the knobs, and flick all the switches. Here's your antenna. Now, let's see how much AA batteries we need to have. 4 AA batteries. Got enough for that. Alright. Alright, now, as I insert this 4 battery, we will go ahead and see if the weather radio turns on. Are they in? Oh, whoops. One's not in the right way. There we go. Yep, version 8. We got ourselves the version 8 WR-300. Alright, now then, let's take a look in the manual and go through the setup procedures. First of all, let's see if this works. We're going to set the channel. Next, alert mode. Voice. Backlight, normal. Setup alarm, we do not need to do that. Setup time. Alright, so we're going to set up time. The current time is 2:12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. 2:12. Set up date. Let's see. Oh yeah. Today is December 25th, 2020. siren level volume, siren test, add alerts, defeat siren, we're going to get through that later, county cold all, that's what we want, that's the weather channel we want, while county codes, defeat siren, we're not going to do that, add alerts, we are not going to do that also, siren level is low. Alright, now let's go ahead and test the siren, shall we? That is the faster version of the WR-120. We're going to leave it at low. Setup date, yes. Time, yes. Alarm, we don't need to do that. Backlight normal, yes. Voice, yes. And that is the unboxing and setup of the Midland WR-300 version 8. We are going to go ahead and find a place for this to be plugged in. I'll be right back. So I believe a good setup place for this weather radio will be behind the 12-260 that I also got this Christmas. Alright, and it should work too.
Temperature was 73 degrees.
The antenna works on this, but yeah, that is the unboxing and unboxing and setup of the version 8 WR-300. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more EAS content. Like, comment, and subscribe. That is it.